Hello, happy Wednesday, everybody. Today we're going to experiment with more things to sink or float. So what you'll need is some plastic eggs and some household items. I'm going to use some coins and some raisins and googly eyes. And I'm going to see what sinks and what floats. So I'm going to prop my water up so you guys can see it. So you can see the egg if it sinks or floats. So I have my eggs. And the first one I'm going to fill with some coins. And I'm going to see if it sinks or floats. My guess is, because coins are heavy, that they will sink. But we're going to see. So I have my coins in my egg. So here we go. I was wrong. My egg is floating. So even though the coins are heavy, my egg still floats. Next, I'm going to try a napkin and see what happens. Put a napkin in my egg. Close my egg up nice and tight. Now I'm going to guess that my egg is going to float because the napkin's not very heavy. And I was right. As you can see, my egg is floating. And the final thing I'm going to try is some Google Eyes and see what happens with them. So again, I'm going to guess that the egg is going to float because Google Eyes aren't very heavy. And again, I was right. I hope you've enjoyed this fun experiment. Why don't you try it out with some household items that you have around the house and hop on over to the Beacon House page and let us know what you find out. See you next time.